not that much people actually. Still good. Yeah, but still good. That is exactly why we want to show this project for you. So let's go through the current state of the market. So as you probably know, there are over 1,500 different cryptocurrencies right now, and most of them will probably disappear eventually. But still, this is a good sign that people are creating and innovating, and it is good. There are lots of different people who invest in blockchain startups, and we see over $10 billion invested from blockchain venture capital, as well as the ICOs. And so, as you probably know, there are different companies and banks who are very interested in blockchain, and even big banks like Citibank and JP Morgan and all those, they're very attracted to blockchain, and they are eager to develop this technology, so that means that it will never die. And but still there is a very big problem. According to CoinMap, which is a really awesome website that shows how many venues are accepting Bitcoin, there are only 20,000 venues so far. So this is not a big number, and we really want to expand it. So speaking about the problem, there are various types of problems here. So the first one is that mostly people still believe that crypto is an asset. They just buy it and hodl it. Some people trade it or speculate on it as well, invest in ICOs, but mostly don't pay because it is an asset. And so we really want to make sure that somebody creates a solution that will create, that will shift cryptocurrency to a real currency that we all want to have. So also there are different companies, big companies like Microsoft and Overstock and Dish and Bloomberg and others that already accept Bitcoin. But all of them are e-commerce platforms and they accept only online. So there are no places like big names that accept crypto inside of the brick-and-mortar business, and this is quite a huge problem. But there are some solutions that try to solve this issue, but all of them, they create some custom hardware and some custom apps that try to pitch those to merchants. And that doesn't work, because merchants don't want to change anything inside of their business. And plus, it takes a lot of money and time and effort to retrain the whole stuff, and it will never work in this way. So the most important thing to mention here is that merchants seriously don't need our crypto right now. They just don't. All that they want is to gain some new customers that keep coming back, and they will have more sales. That's basically what they want. And we can improve even this issue, and we'll show you how. So, and also lastly, there is a problem that there is no incentive whatsoever for accepting crypto for merchants, as well as for spending crypto for customers. So we'll solve this issue as well. So let's go through our solution. So we at Paytomat create a various set of solutions for all the platforms. For web, we have e-commerce plugins. We have a Coinbase Commerce type of plugin for generic websites and stuff like that. And we're also planning to integrate OpenCart, WooCommerce, Magento, and all of those big e-commerce shopping cart systems. For POS, we this is our killing feature actually. What we've done, we integrated directly with point-of-sale systems, guest management software, hotel systems, and all of those others. We communicate with them directly. So in this way, merchant don't have to change any of his systems, and this stuff works direct inside of his existing POS solutions. So here there are some examples of this integration. This is our solution for 1C. This probably you may not have heard about it, but it's one of the biggest one in that covers post-Soviet countries. It has over 1 million companies so far, and this is quite a big number. Also, we have Poster, who's quite big in Europe mostly, and here's also a solution for the wallet. also, on top of that, we are developing web control panels for simplifying the merchants' front end. Working directly with crypto communities. So in this case, merchants bring them actually customers. So in this case, it's win-win. And our last case for solving the incentive problem, we have a mobile wallet that will have a built-in loyalty program on the blockchain, so that customers and merchants, they receive some incentive for spending or using their crypto. So Paytomat actually is a working product since August 2017. We have 3 point-of-sale solutions integrated in our system. Over 150 merchants so far, 700 transactions. It's not a quite big number actually, but we're trying to expand it and increase it. But there is a problem right now, the global downtrend, and so people are not willing to spend their crypto so much. But when the Bitcoin and all the other assets will go up, it will eventually become very profitable for people to use crypto. We support right now 5 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, Waves, Ethereum, and there will be from 5 to 10 our own consensus algorithm actually. The point of sale is proof of stake. So we found out when we were working with different point of sale systems that we can make each of their terminal, their device, as a node. So basically any POS device or even a mobile device that will have our mobile standalone POS to become a node. Obviously this minimum or no consumption of CPU and bandwidth are outdated, and they are running on a very bad hardcore systems. And lastly, merchants can collect their PTMs and launch snap their message. Here's also 2 very cool solutions that we are making for making crypto available globally. So the first one is decentralized franchise. So we found out that probably we cannot cover the entire globe without any help, right? So we want to give opportunity for anybody who wants to present payments or cryptocurrency payment services in their region, a solution for them to represent that. So anybody who can do that, who is interested, mostly those are crypto enthusiasts or maybe even some investors or something like that, can set up a daughter company from Paytomat and work directly with merchants, POS vendors, with exchanges and some communities to drive the new business into cryptocurrencies. So in this case, it will expand and will create a solid network effect that we are looking for. Also, we are setting up our company as a decentralized autonomous organization, which will help to lead the entire payment industry. We are working directly with core teams of various cryptocurrencies, and they will be a board of trustees that will be able to pre-select some proposals that anybody from community will pitch to our network. And astronauts will vote on those proposals, and through the escrow account they will receive those money in some split calendar period. So here's our roadmap. Our Q2 is mostly about e-commerce and mobile POS solutions, and we also working right now on integrating with Telegram and Facebook Messenger as an AI chatbot for payments in crypto. So basically you will be able to pay in Telegram and Facebook Messenger with cryptocurrency. Then we will go directly with the big. So currently we are negotiating with Oracle and normally we always sign up a contract, and we also are aiming to integrate in Dmytro and NCR and other big POS solutions, because we believe if we can do this, basically we can cover the entire globe with crypto payment solutions. Last we will launch our blockchain and introduce a loyalty program for our customers. So here's our assets. We have the PTM and PTX as the main assets of our blockchain. So PTM will be as an incentive for merchants to accept cryptocurrency, and PTX will be a loyalty reward for customers to pay with their cryptocurrency. PTI is an interim token that will be a tilting token that you can pay in various Paytomat enabled locations. So here's a basic business model. We are taking some small fee for every transaction, and a portion of this fee will go to our core team to develop the project, and all of the other percentage of fee will be distributed to the participants of our network, which are merchants, decentralized franchisees, legal, budget, core teams, and POS vendors. Because we found that they are key elements for driving the crypto market, and we want to reward them for their help. So basically what Visa does is they take from 2 to 10%. We are giving those percentages to others. Here's a team, and we have over 10 years of experience with in marketing. We have our CEO, Yuri, who have found a company previously that was working with securities and data storages. We have various mining data centers in Georgia, Ukraine, and other countries. And also the Andriy, who's our business director, is here. And myself, actually, I work with Dash core team directly for last year and a half, I guess. And our CEO and our Sasha Ivanov, one of our selected advisors, is the CEO of Waves. I'm sure that you're heard about in this location, actually, but his coins right now like top 40, I guess, like something like that. Also, we are working with various core teams like Dash. They're very supportive of us, and Molevi, who's the founder of Keynote, the biggest conference for cryptocurrencies, and also other advisors who we have not. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, you can reach out on social, wherever you prefer at Paytomat, and you can ask them right now as well. So thanks for your time, and it was really fun to be here.